Hey, my name is Kent C. Dodds, and for the last year, I've been teaching people how to build excellent user experiences in AI agents like Cursor and Claude and now ChatGPT, and we want to integrate ourselves into those experiences. So back in October, I made a cohort of hundreds of people who joined me to go through 4 workshops to learn all about how to build these types of integrations that work across all the different agents. It's the new website, and I'm really excited to announce that I am releasing those same workshops available to anybody to go at their own pace. You'll still have access to a Discord where other learners are going through the experience, and I have my office hours that I do regularly on Thursdays as you go through things if you need any assistance. But the whole experience is fully self-paced, so you can fit it into whatever schedule you find yourself having. So Epic MCP, go from scratch to production. We are covering a lot of stuff in here. I'm going to invite you to go ahead and read through all of the awesome information that we have put in here. That's really compelling why it's so important for you to learn MCP right now and to start getting your application in front of your users inside of the AI agents that they want to use all the time, or even build your own AI agent that integrates with your own services using MCP. So you're going to learn about all of that in this series of workshops. Feel free to read through all of this stuff. It's really good. I'm scrolling through it. I don't want you to scroll through it. Read through it. There's really good stuff in here. Of course, it's using the Epic Workshop app that you might be familiar with if you've gone through any of my workshops before. And I just wanted to show you the amount of content that we've got in here. So right here, we cover the MCP fundamentals. Then we go into advanced MCP features. We talk about MCP UI. That has gotten a lot of attention recently with the MCP apps spec that is currently being worked on and collaborated with by both Anthropic and OpenAI, as well as others who are involved there, which is super, super cool. But MCP UI is kind of the forerunner in all of that, and you'll learn all about how to make those kinds of experiences as well. And then authorization and authentication with MCP Auth. We'll talk about how to set up your MCP server to be a resource server and work with the OAuth server that you're using or that you have at your own company. This is everything that you really need to know to build a sophisticated MCP experience with whatever chat application your users typically are using. It's a pretty cool and exciting new technology. This is still very early days, and there are changes that are happening. In fact, just a couple days ago, we had a new update to the spec. So I am kind of out of character here because I normally don't do this, but I am promising a free update to this material in the first half of 2026 because things are changing and improving so rapidly. So go ahead and grab it right now. You will get that free update in the first half of 2026, and grab it like right now because this price is going to go up very soon. So I'm really looking forward to having you go through this with me. This is some really great content. You can take a look at the stuff that I have on here, the testimonials from other people who've gone through it. And I think that we're going to have a great time in these 4 workshops. So we'll see you in the workshops.